Hello friends, do you know how to deploy a Kubernetes application on your desktop? The answer is using Minikubes. So, today I am going to explain you how to install Minikubes on your Linux desktop and run a Kubernetes application. What is Minikube? Minikube is a tool that makes it easy to run Kubernetes locally. Minikube runs a single node Kubernetes cluster inside a virtual machine on your laptop. Minikube normally runs on a hypervisor. We can run the Kubernetes components on the host machine as well. In this tutorial, I will be configuring Minikubes with VirtualBox hypervisor. So let's get started. The steps to set up a Minikube we'll get from kubernetes.io. Let's download the Minikubes by running this curl command. Next is to download the kubectl. Run the chmod to change permissions. Now we will move these files to user bin folder so that we can run this command from anywhere. Let's verify the setup by checking the versions. Now we will run the Minikube instance inside the VirtualBox by executing the command. We can see the IP address of the Minikube by typing minikube IP command. We can interact with the Kubernetes instance using kubectl. Kubectl get all will get all the resources inside the default space. Kubectl get pod will get all the pods, and kubectl get service will get all the services. Minikube dashboard will show the web dashboard. It is a web-based Kubernetes user interface. Now we are going to deploy one application inside the Kubernetes. For that I have already created a YAML file that will contain the Docker image name and the port details where the application can be available. Run the kubectl apply -f and the YAML file name to deploy the application. Execute the kubectl get all command to see the resource creation status. We can see the pods and services are creating. This will take some time, as the Docker images will download from Docker Hub on the first time. Run the kubectl describe and pod name to see the current status of the pod. After some time, you can see the pods are on running. kubectl logs will show the logs from the pod. Here we have only one line in the log. Access the web application deployed in the Kubernetes by accessing Minikube IP and the port number mentioned in the YAML file. Using kubectl exec, we can log into the pods. You can see the pods and services in the dashboard as well. That is the end of the session. There are few more advanced tutorials in my channel, so please subscribe and click bell icon to get updates when new content is added.